Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove password from a PDF. To remove password from a PDF, you can do the following. First, open the PDF file, enter the password to view the file. Press Ctrl+P, CMD+P on Mac to print. From the printer section, select Microsoft Print PDF. Then click on Print. Give a file name. Then click Save. Now the new PDF file is without password. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.